Ready to unlock a goldmine of insights about your website visitors? Let's dive into setting up Google Tag Manager on your WordPress site, step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Plugins section in the left-hand menu and click on Add New. Now, in the search bar, type GTM for WP. This will bring up the GTM for WP Google Tag Manager for WordPress plugin. Find the GTM for WP plugin and click the Install Now button. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. Great! Now that the plugin is active, let's configure it in the left-hand menu. Hover over Settings and then click on Google Tag Manager. On this settings page, you'll see a field labeled Google Tag Manager ID. This is where you need to enter your unique GTM container ID, which looks something like GTM XXXXXXX. Head over to your Google Tag Manager account and find your container ID displayed prominently at the top of the screen. Copy this ID. Now go back to your WordPress settings and paste the container ID into the Google Tag Manager ID field. Scroll down and click the Save Changes button. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured Google Tag Manager on your WordPress website. You can now start adding tags, triggers, and variables in Google Tag Manager to track user behavior and gather valuable insights.